Repeat everything you hear.
Who am I?
You're a teacher.
Who are you?
I'm a student.
Who is she?
She's a nurse.
Who is he?
He's a doctor.
Who are we?
We're students.
Who are they?
They're barbers.
What are these?
Those are pencils.
What are these?
Those are pens.
What are these?
Those are books.
What are these?
Those are tapes.
What are these?
Those are recorders.
What are these?
Those are chairs.
What are these?
Those are tables.
Who are they?
They're students.
Who are they?
They're teachers.
Who are they?
They're barbers.
Who are they?
They're doctors.
Who are they?
They're nurses.
Who are they?
They're farmers.
Who are they?
They're pilots.
Who are they?
They're mechanics.